What's up, guys? Whitaker here from Grind City Media, and I love chicken wings. Twice on Cooking with Lang, we've done chicken wings, both times on the grill. Tonight, let's do it inside. Let's do it in the oven. It's something easy, it's simple, it's quick, it's fast, it's delicious. I'm gonna do it. You can do it with me. This is Cooking with Lang. Let's go. Today we are making crispy oven-baked chicken wings. Now, the upside of cooking chicken wings in the oven is it's fast and it's easy. The downside is you're not gonna get the flavor you get from grilling. So to get the flavor and some texture in there, I've got a couple tricks up my sleeve here. We're gonna go with a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of kosher salt to get lots of flavors in there. And the smoked paprika really kind of gives it that barbecue flavor, that smoky flavor. And then what is this? 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Why are we using baking powder? Well, it has cornstarch in it, which is gonna help the skin get nice and crispy, crunchy. And then it also has some blah, 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 science stuff to it. I can't really explain it, but it helps draw the water out of the skin and helps crisp up the skin in the oven. So all this is gonna go in a bowl and we're gonna get it on our chicken wings. Another trick to getting these wings crispy on the outside is we get them as dry as we can before we add our spice. As you can see, they're pretty dried out at this point. I'm gonna do 1 big spoonful of my spice mix on these wings. I'm gonna give them a good stir and try to get it spread out among all of them. And then I'll go in with the rest of the spice mix. There's still a little bit left, so keep spreading it out. All right, got the wings all laid out here. They're a little jammed in there, but they're gonna shrink in the oven. I got a piece of aluminum foil under there, which is gonna help with the cleanup because there's a lot of fat. They're gonna drip down on there. Oven's at 450, which is a pretty hot temperature. It's gonna go in there for about 25 minutes. I'll give it a spin. After another 20 minutes, I'll check for temperature. That should be enough to get these crispy on the outside and nice and tender on the inside. Halfway through, let's give them a spin. And they're done. 40 minutes, 450 degrees. Listen to that skin. It is crispy. It is crunchy. And I'm gonna eat one right now. So good. You could hear the crunch. Not overloaded with flavor, but nice flavors. You could do a sauce with this if you want. You could put some dried herbs at the end. You could dip it in ranch, whatever you want. But this is the blueprint for how to use your oven to make crispy, delicious chicken wings. I did it. You can do it. Let's do it together. This is Cooking with Lang.